आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
In this question, we have to evaluate the product of given two complex numbers. We have to evaluate 2 plus 3i multiplied by 4 minus 5i. Now to perform this multiplication, we would be using the general formula for a plus b into c plus d. Now as we know, a plus b into c plus d, first a would be multiplied with c plus d, which is equals to a into c plus d. Further, b would be multiplied with c plus d, which would be b into c plus d. In the next step, we open brackets, so as we get ac plus ad plus bc plus bd. Therefore, we see that a plus b into c plus d equals to ac plus ad plus bc plus bd. Let us mention this as equation number 1. Now to use this formula for our multiplication, we will compare our equation, which is 2 plus 3i into 4 minus 5i, with the standard or the general a plus b into c plus d. We are doing so that we can use this formula of a plus b into c plus d. Upon comparison, we will get that a equals to 2 and b equals to 3 times of iota or 3i, c would be 4 and d would be minus 5i or minus 5 times of iota. Now we have to substitute these values of a, b, c and d in our equation 1. Therefore, substituting these in equation 1. Upon substitution, we will see that 2 plus 3i multiplied by 4 minus 5i is equal to ac, which would be 2 into 4, plus ad, which would be 2 into minus 5i, which would be minus 10i, plus bc, which is equals to 3i into 4, which would be equal to 12i, and bd, which is equals to 3i into minus 5i, which would be minus 15 times of I square. Now we do this calculation a bit further. To get that 4 into 2 would be 8, plus we take I common here, we would get minus 10 plus 12 minus 15i square, which can be further written as 8 plus I times of minus 10 plus 12, which would be equal to plus 2. So I times of 2 minus 15i square. Now as we know that the standard definition of iota or I is such that I equals to under root of minus 1. Therefore I square would be equal to minus 1. Now we substitute the value of I square as minus 1 in our calculation. So we will get that 2 plus 3i multiplied by 4 minus 5i would be 8 plus 2i minus 15 times of minus 1, since I square equals to minus 1. So we will see that it is equal to 8 plus 2i minus 15 into minus 1, which would be equal to plus 15. So we see that the product 2 plus 3i into 4 minus 5i equals to 8 plus 15 plus 2i. 8 plus 15 would be equal to 23 plus 2i. Therefore, we see that our final product of these two complex numbers comes as 23 plus 2i. Hence, this would be our final answer.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।